All right, I've written down what we know, which is this top line, x over y equals c over d, d over c equal b over a, and then I've written down the 3 Roman numerals to see which of the following must be true. So I take the first one, and I say, okay, this is y over x, b over a. Well, where do I see the variables y and x? I see those here. And I know that if you flip both sides, they're still equivalent. So if you take this is also equivalent. Y over x, I'm just flipping them, equals d over c. And we know that, okay, I got my y over x. My y over x equals d over c, but d over c equals b over a. So y over x equals b over a. Y over x, so we know Roman numeral 1 works. Let's look at Roman numeral 2. I need something with the variables x, y, a, and b. Okay. All right. What do I know? Well, let me see. I know that x over y equals what? Equals a over b. Look at this and take the reciprocal of each side. I know x over y equals a over b. So I've got all my variables. And now let's cross multiply. You can cross multiply when you've got 2 fractions equal to each other. So that means x times b equals a times y. You see, I need to get the a underneath the x. So divide both sides by a, and that gives me xb over a equal y. And now divide both sides by b. Divide by b, divide by b, cancel, cancel. X over a equals y over b. So that works. Okay, let's look at number 3. And let's start out with any of these that's got my 4 variables. Let's start out with y over x equals b over a. That's this one. And let's do the same thing, cross multiply. And that gives me ay equals bx. And I can't get y over a. You see what I'm saying? So I'm stuck. So the answer is 1 or 2. And 1 or 2, my answer is C.